Okay, we're on day 3 here. Day 3 to Norway. Coming here, got the floors cleaned up. The walls are washed and ready for painting. There's Cameron over there doing some putty work. Cameron Lindgren. We're walking this bedroom. Just got the walls wiped down and everything. Floor's kind of scrubbed just to get all the grime off there before we get ready to paint. Starting to look a little better in here now. Nice cabinet, tools. Look that way. There's Cameron Lindgren again. There's this bedroom. Kitchen's still where it was, but we'll take another peek in there. It's our doors from the thing. Bathroom hasn't been touched yet. And that one very last. And it's then. And that's empty dumpster today too. We're happy to the day right now. We'll get some stuff done.